Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today's video is very much so needed. If you are new to the channel, I love to welcome you. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subby, you know I appreciate your support. So let's get into this video. I am doing my coffee station. Because, hold on y'all. Let me get this right. Because it is a hot mess. It's not functional. So I am going to redo, and this is my little storage stuff, my extras. Have my syrups in there. But yes, we are going to redo this space. So please stay tuned. Please thumbs up this video. Share this video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And let's get into this video. I have the counter clean. The walls are clean and drying. The cabinets are wiped down and drying. And now we are about to go into the cabinet and remove everything out. And then put in my containers. All right, we'll be back. All right, everyone, here is my updated, refreshed coffee station. I was not able to use all my pieces that I hauled because the area is kind of small, but that is okay. As you can see, I use my beautiful hammered tray and my glass canisters and my wallpaper came out fabulous, if I do say so myself. And then I used this beautiful frame that I've had in my stash for quite some time. I picked this up at Myers, and then I used the stock card paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I reused some of my stickers that was on my wall. And then we're going to come inside of my now organized cabinet. I have my mugs up top, and as you can see, I have room for more, but I'm not going to put more in. Then I have my overstock, the things that are still in the packages, and I still have some of my medicines in the cabinet and my syrups. Then we come down here in my canisters. We have coffee, we have chocolate chips back there, my brown sugar, my powdered sugar, my chocolate spoons. Then we have some Land O'Lakes cocoa, different flavors. Then we have our other drinks that we like to use, some sweetener, some marshmallows, and here are my teas and coffee pods and more of my hot chocolate balls. But yes, as you can see, everything is organized, and these are the bins, the stackable bins. I did not use the large ones. I will use them under my sink. All right, everyone, this is part 1 of my coffee and beverage station refresh. Please stay tuned for part 2. I have a few more elements I want to add, as well as changing up my Keurig. So If you are any bit interested in seeing the continuation of this video, please thumbs up this video, please share this video, please like this video, and keep your notifications turned on, and I will see you the very next time that I upload. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.